Okay, for the next step, we're going to talk about anatomically defined ROIs. Now, to do anatomically defined ROIs, you're going to need an anatomical template. And the one that we're using, or have been using majority in class, is the AAL template. And now, you already have this template if you've downloaded MRI Cron, but it's in a format that doesn't really allow you at the moment to extract, to use specific ROIs, to use specific anatomical regions as ROIs. In order for you to do that, you're going to have to do a little bit of tweaking. So if you're a Mac user, you need to go into the MRI Pro GL app, and you're going to use Show Package Contents. If you're a Windows user, I believe the contents or all these Atlas folders should already be, if you use Windows Explorer to explore the content, you should be able to find where MRI Cron or MRI Pro GL installs the files that I'm going to work with in the Mac version of the app. All right. So if you are using a Mac, you open the applications package contents. You should see this contents folder here. You want to go down and to the resources, expand resources, and you'll see Atlas, and you expand Atlas, and you'll see aalnifty.gz format. What you want to do is copy this, and then go to a convenient place in your system. For me, I'm just going to place it here, copy it into my downloads folder. And then I'm going to, because it's GZ format, and remember, MATLAB and a lot of other softwares don't really read the GZ format. You can just do gunzip aalnifty.gz. Or if you're in Windows, you can use an unzip program to basically unzip the GZ format, and it will be an AAL-Nifty image. Now, this AAL-Nifty image, if you open it with MRI Pro GL, you will see basically that it is the Atlas. Give me a moment here. Yes, it's the Atlas, all right, and you can see all the pretty colors of all the different brain images, and importantly, the labels. Now, remember our two regions, one of our regions of interest was the inferior frontal gyrus. So you kind of want to scroll down and look for frontal inferior orbital left. And if you click that, it will tell you that, if you take a look at that, it will tell you that the index for this image is 15. So remember that number, because what it means is that in this AAL-Nifty image, all the voxels that are the frontal inferior orbital left ROI, they will have the value of 15. All right, so you're going to use that to create specific ROIs, all right, anatomical ROIs. So how do we do that? We can actually do that with Mars bar. So what you do is you go to ROI definition and you do import. And in import, it says import ROIs from, you want to do a number labeled ROI image. And then which image is this? Well, give me a moment. Which image is this? Well, it's that image that we just unzipped. So it's that AAL-Nifty image. And if you click done, it will next ask you the directory that you want to save the ROIs in. And I'm going to put them in the same directory as my the downloads folder. So I'm going to select the same folder as I put the AAL template in, the unzipped one. I'm going to click done. And then it's going to ask you for the prefix. So for all the ROIs, it's going to have this AAL in front. So I'm going to click OK. You can change whatever you want, but I'm just going to keep it as is. And once you click OK and you go to your folder that you selected, you'll notice that it will then spit out a lot of files, and it'll all begin with AAL, and they have the numbers 1, 2, whatever. All right. Now remember, what we wanted was ROI 15. So this is the ROI. So if you wanna confirm that that is the ROI that you want, you go to Mars bar and you select the View ROI function, and you go to that ROI, AAL ROI 15, and if you click on it, you will see it is the left inferior frontal gyrus. All right. So here you have an ROI, which is your anatomical ROI, and then you can use that as you would, again, as all the other ROIs.